Ever wonder what decides whether a panel will last 5 months or 5 years? Here at Azar Pixel, we run 5 different engineering tests to tell us the truth about a panel's health and long-term reliability. First up is the ESD test. Electrostatic discharge doesn't sound dramatic, but it's one of the most common killers of LED panels. We apply controlled static shocks to see how the driver ICs and PCB respond. A healthy panel shrugs this off. A weaker design will flicker, artifact, or fail entirely. This tells us whether the internal electronics were engineered correctly long before you see a problem. Second is the EMI or EMC test. Using FCC Title 47 guidelines, we measure 2 things: how much interference the panel puts out and how much interference it can survive. If those numbers are wrong, you'll get camera banding, radio distortion, network drops, all the issues people blame on bad wiring when the problem is actually inside the panel. Next, we have the brightness test. Brightness should never be taken at face value. We measure lumen output at the pixel level to see whether the LED chips, power design, and current drivers are performing as intended. If a panel can't meet its rated nits, that's a sign of aging diodes, weak ICs, or power efficiency issues. The fourth is the heat test. Even a well-built panel will drift if the thermal management isn't solid. We run panels under load and track the temperature rise across modules, power supplies, and driver components. Too much heat tells us the panel will fade early, discolor, or fail under outdoor conditions long before it becomes visible to the naked eye. Lastly, we have the vibration test. Panels used in rentals, concerts, touring, or LED trucks face constant vibration. It's the fastest way to reveal weak solder joints, loose connectors, or fragile IC mounting. A solid panel maintains image stability even under mechanical stress. A fragile one gives up quickly. This test tells us which one you've got. Few repair centers are as thorough with testing their products as we are. So if you ever need your AV gear repaired, contact us today.